Imagine this. You're staring at an active volcano, lava bubbling, heat waves rippling through the air, and someone just starts tossing truckloads of garbage straight into it. Boom. Problem solved, right? Instant trash incineration, no more overflowing landfills, no more plastic islands. But hold up, could it actually work? Or would it end up being one of the most disastrous ideas humanity ever had? In today's video, we're diving deep into the fiery question, what would really happen if we dumped all our trash into volcanoes? Stick around because the real answer is way more explosive than you think. At first glance, volcanoes seem like the ultimate natural trash compactors. Lava can reach temperatures between 1,300 and 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, easily enough to melt through plastics, metals, and pretty much anything else we throw at it. So why not use volcanoes like Mother Nature's own incinerators? No more garbage dumps, no more waste management headaches. Just feed the volcano. Problem solved. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Spoiler alert, it absolutely is. First off, getting trash to volcanoes would be a logistical nightmare. There are about 1,500 potentially active volcanoes worldwide, but most of them, they're located in extremely remote areas, jungles, oceans, mountain ranges. Imagine the carbon emissions and cost it would take just to haul millions of tons of trash across continents and oceans to reach a volcano. It's like trying to fix your leaky faucet by flying it to Antarctica. Second, and maybe most importantly, dumping trash into an active volcano is ridiculously dangerous. Lava isn't like water, it's thick, sticky, and often covered with a hard crust. When something cold and full of chemicals, like plastic, hits superheated lava, it doesn't just burn, it explodes. Yep, the sudden thermal shock can cause violent steam explosions, launching molten rocks and toxic gases into the air. You wouldn't just be risking environmental harm, you'd literally be turning the volcano into a giant garbage bomb. Even if somehow we could safely toss trash into volcanoes without blowing ourselves up, the environmental impact would still be catastrophic. Burning trash releases a toxic cocktail of chemicals, dioxins, furans, heavy metals, carbon dioxide. These pollutants could spread across the atmosphere, contaminating air, soil, and water far beyond the volcano itself. Instead of solving pollution, we'd be supercharging climate change and poisoning ecosystems. Plus, many volcanoes are home to unique ecosystems, plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. We'd be destroying habitats that took millions of years to evolve in a matter of weeks. Technically, if you had a volcano conveniently located right next to a major city and you figured out a way to safely and cleanly vaporize trash without triggering explosions or releasing toxins, maybe, but the odds are about as good as winning the lottery while getting struck by lightning. Realistically, it's just not viable, not economically, not environmentally, not practically. So next time someone says, why don't we just dump trash in volcanoes? You can hit them with the science. It would be way more dangerous, expensive, and polluting than any landfill ever could be. If we really want to solve the trash problem, it's going to take smarter solutions, recycling, reducing waste, and creating cleaner technologies, not blowing up volcanoes. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below. If you could invent any crazy method for getting rid of garbage, what would it be? I'll be reading all your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science videos every week. Catch you in the next one.